What's up, y'all? Thank you for being here with me with Heavenly Divine. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about black cats. I'm going to be going over a few lies that we have been taught throughout history, and I am going to dispel those lies and give you some truths. I want to tell you the rules, how to treat your black cat, how they're lucky, how they stand for protection, how they bring you luck. Let's get into it. So the first lie that I want to correct with you is you've been told like, oh, if a black cat crosses your path, then it's bad luck. That's not true. So this is how it goes. And it comes from the Austrian, the country in Europe, that it depends how the black cat enters your path. But I'm going to teach you how to read a black cat's message when it exits your path. Now, when a black cat enters your path and it goes to the left, it means if you go out, you will have a good day. Now, if the black cat exits your path going to the right, it means that you should stay home because you will have a better day staying at home. And now I did have a black cat, and my black cat did do this to me once. On my birthday, I had to work. I was a photographer at the time, and I had to go shoot for this magazine that I was working with. And my cat went to the right, and I was like, I know you playing with me. I know you playing with me. I was chasing him and shit, but that's what I learned is like he's not the one who's fucking up my day. He's actually warning me of how my day could go. And so he went to the right, and yeah, I got a boot on my car. It was my birthday. It was a fucking mess. But that's how it goes. Now, it really depends how the cat entered your path, but the main thing you need to pay attention to is how they leave your path. So, how y'all think that, they're bad luck? Y'all are honestly out here listening to somebody who's racist telling you those lies. So it's kind of like a game of telephone. When one message gets passed down to so many people, it can tend to get messed up and the truth can get lost within the message. So first of all, black cats are not bad luck. They're good luck and they are protectors. And this comes to us. How we learn this knowledge is from ancient Egypt. This is where I learned it from. And this is what I'm going to teach you with. So first of all, every color cat has a rule. Okay, like for example, tabby cats are very smart and they possess ancient Egyptian knowledge. Like you could teach them how to fetch type thing. Black cats are the most spiritual. So there are rules like to the barnyard cat, the orange cat, the gray cat, the calico cat. But I'm going to tell you the rules of the black cat because I had a black cat and I know their rules. So black cats are the most spiritual and they usually come to you. You don't go get them. They come to you. And the reason why they came to you is because you sent out a prayer that you wanted a friend. You wanted someone to talk to. So Basset, Meow, Sekhmeth, God, the spirits heard you. And so they're sending you your friend in this gift of a black cat. So they stay with the psychic. They stay with the pastor, the person who is spiritual within the family. And this gift will be passed down. Like, for example, for me, my great aunt's sister had black cats. And so she read palms, and I don't like the word psychic, but she was the psychic. And so it usually skips a generation, and then it came to me. So your black cat comes to the student when you are ready. So coming to the magician when they are ready and they guide you. So just like you have a spirit guide, you also have an animal guide as well. So lucky you have all these extra guides to protect you. So they come to you as a friend when you're ready and they keep you away from evil. So if you have an indoor cat and an outdoor cat like I did, at night when your cat gets the zoomies, you're supposed to let them go out if you live in a safe environment. And they visit your enemy's house and they tell them to leave you alone. I really do believe that because when my cat passed, like all of my enemies started like really attacking me. Another thing is that, like I said, that they're good luck, right? So if you, and this not only goes for black cats, it goes for black people, black birds, anything that's black. If you treat them well, you get good luck. And I think because during the Inquisition of Europe, when they were calling people witches and they were doing witch hunts and they couldn't, so I can't get in your pants, so I'm gonna call you a witch and throw you in the fire. That's basically, and when I started learning how to read burnings, and I was reading the book, The Temple of Athena, and the first thing I read was that they used to push people in the fire. I was like, what the? I know exactly who the fuck they was pushing. But because throughout history, so much unfairness has happened to black cats, black people, there's luck within us. So if you treat one well, luck comes to you. So if a cat, even if it's a stray cat, comes to your house and you treat it well, money will come to your household. Black cats are lucky for those who are single, especially single women. Now, they bring good suitors around. And the favorable is green eyes. Now, all the eyes mean something different. Orange, blue. Blue means like innocent, but green is favorable. I remember I was praying for my cat. When I found my cat, he was like brand new. His teeth hadn't came in yet. We didn't even know what his sex was yet. And his eyes, so they all have blue eyes and they change colors. And I was praying for mine to turn green, and his did turn green, because it means if you're about money, it means good luck. That money is going to come to you. And so they will nip at your feet. Like if you're hanging out with somebody that you're not supposed to be hanging out with, they will attack you. You'll be like, anytime you like think of that person or you go hang out with that person, they'll like bite at your feet. So if they meet you at your front door, it means that you're going to make money for that day. More rules about black cats. Calicos are not black cats. Those are calicos. Now, tuxedo cats, those cats that you see are both black and white, those are black cats. So they follow the same rule as black cats. I'm trying to think if there's any more like interesting facts that I could tell you, but that's everything that's coming to my mind right now about black cats. And you should Google to learn more and tell me more. I love learning more about black cats. I really do. But I'm very loyal to the one that I had. I don't want to get a new one. I'm very loyal to my Suki. But anyways, I'm going to see y'all in the next video. In the next video, I have decided to talk about why some of y'all are waking up in the middle of the night. Because it's not always that you're under spiritual warfare or a haunting. Some people wake up in the middle of the night because you're destined to be millionaires. You're waking up during the millionaire hour. So I'll record that video for y'all next. And thank y'all for sitting down with me for the black cat video. I don't think that's everything, but that's the main things that I wanted y'all to know. Oh, one more thing. So in Egypt, right? Egyptians, ancient Egyptians, they love their black cats. They love their cats, all cats. They think cats are gods, like they're little gods in their body, which I would have to agree. So when you lose your cat, the ancient Egyptians took that very hard. They would shave their eyebrows. So they went out in the world and everybody would know right off the bat that they were upset because their cat is missing. Like it's definitely an imbalance when you don't have your cat, but they are protectors. They are protector spirits, and treat yours well and you're going to get more money and love coming back to you. And yes, the next video will be, why are you waking up in the middle of the night? Okay. Thank you for sitting here with me. I will see you. Bye.